This novel technique can be used to prepare N-hydroxy-3-aryl compounds. These products are particularly interesting for their use as antibiotics, antinociceptics, antidiabetes, and anti-cancer drugs.
Although N-hydroxy-indoles are frequently considered unstable and elusive products, we have acquired a very stable library of N-hydroxy-indole derivatives. The reaction of the cycloaddition of nitrosoarenes with alkynes can be used to selectively prepare a wide library of 3 substituted indole products.
This method provides a simple and uncatalyzed access to potentially bioactive products. We consider this protocol to be an interesting improvement and advancement in the field of synthetic organic chemistry.
For 1-phenyl-2-propyne-1-one synthesis, first add 75 milliliters of acetone and 2 grams of 1-phenyl-2-propyne-1-ol into an open-air round-bottom flask containing a magnetic stirring bar. Place the reaction mixture at 0 degrees Celsius with stirring and add a solution of Jones reagent dropwise until a persistent orange color is observed. Add 2-propanol dropwise until the excess of hexavalent chromium reactant is consumed and the solution exhibits a green color, and filter the solution through a pad of diatomaceous earth. Concentrate the washings by rotary evaporation until an oil is obtained, and dissolve the oil in 100 milliliters of dichloromethane. Add the solution to a separatory funnel and wash the organic phase 2 times.